Hi guys, I'm Chris Wilson and this is the Helpful Home Service Guy series. Hey guys, today we're going to talk a little bit about how to know whether or not you might need a maintenance on your system. The first one's easy, it's age, right? So if you've lived in your house 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, and you've never had a maintenance, it's time to have a maintenance done. The other way that you might know is just by the condition of your outdoor unit, okay? This unit, when the fan's on and running, it's blowing air through the unit. It's pulling, it's creating a negative pressure. If this unit was on and I held a piece of paper here, it would actually draw it right against it, okay? And then any of this dirt or pollen or dust or debris from the driveway, or even worst case scenario, a dryer vent that pumps out a ton of lint is going to get attracted to this coil and suck in. It's going to start to block all those little grooves, those little openings in the coil, right? And anytime we reduce airflow through that coil, we're going to lose capacity. So on a 95-degree day, you could lose up to 20% of capacity, which means that you're not going to feel as comfortable as you should in your own house. Okay, so making sure you get a good maintenance done, you get these coils clean, is going to make sure that you stay warm and comfortable. So guys, one other thing to be aware of when you're out at your condenser and you're walking by is that sometimes, here it's nice and clear, but sometimes you end up with a lot of vegetation close to your condenser. You want to make sure that stays clear, because if you've got big hostas or anything, with very leafy vegetation that can actually block airflow, that's going to be the same as if you had a really dirty coil. So anytime those leaves suck up against that condenser, they're actually reducing your capacity, your unit's ability to dissipate heat. Okay, so make sure this condenser stays free and clear, at least 10 inches all the way around, so that you get good airflow and good cooling. So make sure you guys get your maintenance performed on your AC system to make sure that you guys stay cool and comfortable through the warm weather.